Just I will try to elaborate. Like Envino is the first complete end-to-end smart viticulture solution built on the Microsoft Azure artificial intelligence platform from scratch. So complete hardware and analytics for precision farming. Naviz Analytics manufactures custom solutions integrating devices, mesh networks, AI, and analytics in complete end-to-end solutions. Yeah, go ahead. So we are operate from UA, that is our main office in USA, and we have a branch in Hyderabad, and we also deal with solutions in smart agri solutions, Envino, and cannabis, e-discovery analytics, and the company was founded in 2014. We also serve the segments like vineyards, blueberry, and ornamental farms, and the platforms that we cover is data visualization platform, which visualization for data analytics platform, and we have around employees of around 200 plus, both in USA and Hyderabad. Yeah, next. So this is a leadership team. Jagan is the CEO of the company, and Christopher is sales and marketing, and Kalyan is the one who heads the Hyderabad team and the lead engineer over there. Yeah, next. So what is Envino? So you may know, like in the agriculture, we almost used to find like the disease prediction, right? So we have a challenge of what actually is the disease that we used to to predict the disease. So Envino is a kind of solution which is on the platform of building an end-to-end solution from monitoring the plants. From the monitoring the plants involves the temperature of the soil moisture, and the leaf wetness, and digital imaging process of the leaf image. So all these parameters will be taken into the cloud part, the Microsoft Azure that we are using over here, and that data has been taken into the processing. So this processed data will be used for the machine learning purpose, and with the machine learning we used to detect the what kind of disease that plant can affect. So we are having the couple of vineyards over in USA. So we have successfully deployed in more than around 5 plus vineyards. So we are getting the data for almost 2 years around. So we have the telemetry devices as compared to Davis and Ranch. So we have the live monitoring, the dashboards, email and SMS alerts, and disease detection. So you can have the alerts like whenever the soil moisture goes below a certain prediction level, so you'll get an email or SMS alert. As well, you can have the application over there, so you can have it on your mobile phone as well. So you can directly detect your plant or the farm which is having a threshold level, or it is in the what is the water content over there in the farm. Yeah. And we can also have the live monitoring over there. So the live monitoring in terms like what is the water content and what is the present status of the farm in the field. Like it's through the image as well as through the water and the temperature as well. Right now we are covering. So we used to have this is the architecture of the device, where we used to have a couple of devices. These we call it as the nodes. The nodes will reside in the remote location, where the node captures the remote indices like temperature, soil moisture, solar irradiance, and ambient light and leaf wetness, just to name some of them. So these nodes will automatically relay the message to a central hub or the IoT hub called as a gateway. This gateway will eventually push to the cloud, and from the cloud we use the disease prediction, sensor tracking, and if at all we have any device malfunctions also, we used to get to know from the clouds using the email and SMS alerts. And we have the most important thing, the data storage, where we have a robust data analytics over there, and from there you can have the on mobile phone or on a computer or a PC or that. Next. So these are the some features and services that we are operating here. So Envino nodes are all battery operated, and it's on solar based one. So once you go through the battery, it will run for months, and all IP65 based devices, and the sensors that we are supporting, the protocols are the analog, digital, SPI, and I2C, to name some few of them. And the AC, the gateway is an IoT hub. It's an AC powered one. And coming to the software, the product was built on Microsoft Azure, and we have a lot of features like this live farm view, the self-managed portal, and SMS and WhatsApp based thing, and open API and machine learning thing. So the one thing that unique thing about Envino is something like we also do the machine learning part and the data analytics part over there. So we have a data of almost 1.5 year for the farms over there in the USA. Right now we are currently operating more in USA compared to India. So in India we have a farm in Chevella. So we are collecting the farm the data from the farm over there over 1 year. So these are the sensors that we are supporting right now. So maybe these sensors are some of the very important, I think, mostly from the soil fraternity like those. So the moisture, temperature, which will have a very good impact on the soil and the plant growth condition. Yeah. So these are some of the users who are going to use our product: the farm management companies, agronomists, growers, and agriculture departments and data scientists. So this is one of the block that we have deployed in USA. It's called as a cherry lake. The one which you are seeing as a star mark, those are the nodes, and it will indicate those 3 things. And this is a dashboard of the solution that we have built. So you can see the temperature and the humidity and the pressure of that particular field over there. And you can see the more analytics when you go into depth when you go deep into the dashboard over there. So this is one of the soil moisture sensors that was captured in for one of the sensor. So you can see that the threshold levels over there, that maximum 35 and minimum 80 and that one. And you can see the status of there. It's like working, and the reporting interval will be, like we can go down to 2 minutes as well. So right now the reporting interval it's a user flexible part. Its interval is 120 minutes. Let's say 2 hours. For every 2 hours, we'll take the readings from the farm, and we can also go down to around 2 minutes as well. So the other part of the interactive dashboards, like this is one of the software that we have built over there. Like we can have the battery, soil moisture, and soil pH as well. That we are able to capture the data of soil pH as well. And the sensor readings over there, and you can also see like average soil pH by date, by year, or by month, and you can also have all these analysis. Yeah. So these some of we have a tabular form and the graphical form. So these are one of the graphical form that we are able to see over there. So these is one of the sensors that we have deployed in a couple of fields in USA. So the one which we see is the Cherry Lake and Shaw Vineyards, and this is an African in India.
Welcome to the world of Naviz Analytics, a business analytics and visualization tool made easy for all types and sizes of enterprises to connect to variable data sets. Naviz lets you analyze and visualize complex data within minutes. It brings all your complex data together in one simple view by easily combining data from multiple data sources like Google Analytics, Hadoop, SQL, or other large data sources with a single drag and drop interface. Create, manage, and visualize your complex data models with much ease. Transform your data into powerful interactive dashboards and monitor your data in real time from any device across all operating systems. Everyone in your organization can access and export data and dashboards to explore and find meaningful insights in a trusted and secured environment. Incorporate complex predictive models and build advanced visualizations with ease using Naviz. Want to empower your enterprise with actionable insights? Sign up with Naviz to get started. Naviz Analytics. Acquire, act, accelerate.